Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Spark Go 2023 with trendy design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6-inch HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 84.4% screen to body ratio, with approximately 267 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with QVGA camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel camera with water drop notch. For the software, the handset turns on Android 12 operating system based on iOS 12 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is quad-core 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53, powered by MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 4GB LPDDR3 of RAM with 3GB extended RAM using memory fusion technology, and 64GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable through dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.86 by 75.51 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options endless black, a uni blue, nebula purple colors, to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the phone also feature rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Spark Go 2023 has been priced in Pakistan for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 24,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Spark Go 2023? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.